Did you know that a fragrance is a unique blend of natural ingredient and synthetic ingredients infused into alcohol? Actually, your perfume is 80% of alcohol, and what brings the value is the concentrate, this mix of natural and synthetic ingredient made by the famous perfumer. And at Maison, we give you access to the concentrate for the first ever time in the perfume industry. Natural ingredients in perfumery are extracted from natural raw material like flower, citrus, wood, spices, aromat. They are limited, and usually we use distillation to make the pure essential oil, and it needs a lot of quantity of the pure raw material. For instance, you need 4 tons of rose flower to make 1 liter of essence. So it's why they are so rare and expensive in perfumery. Actually, modern perfumery born in the 19th century with the introduction of organic chemistry. 95% of ingredients in perfumery can be synthesized through different chemical reactions using petrochemicals. They can be ester, alcohol, aldehyde. Synthetic molecules allow you to decrease the cost of your formula because they are cheaper than the natural ingredient. They also create new olfactive trends. So if we talk about cologne, floral ozone, they have really revolutionized and introduced the marinotte you have in Acqua di Gio, in l'Odyssée. And today, companies like IFF, Givaudan invest millions of dollars to discover new synthetic ingredients because they can be patented and protect also your formula from counterfeit, which is really harassing the perfume industry. Actually, it takes years to develop synthetic ingredients, and you have to go through a lot of tests to make sure they're safe for the human and the nature. However, still some synthetic ingredients are really bad for people, and I do recommend to avoid any phthalate and any CMR, which are very toxic. So you have the right to ask in the composition of your perfume if there is any phthalate or CMR. Another important thing for the planet is to ask the level of biodegradability of your perfume. At Maison 21G, we are very transparent, and you can see the level of biodegradability of your perfume to make sure we don't pollute the river, the sea, and the planet. So it's very important to have biodegradable perfume. It's almost impossible to make 100 perfume natural, especially if you want to wear it. Natural ingredients are very raw, intense. They are a bit of weakness like human beings. So you need to complement them with synthetic ingredients. Synthetic ingredients are going to balance them, create harmony, long lasting, that you really need in a final perfume composition. The percentage of natural ingredient is very important to know in your formula. As I have explained to you, natural ingredients are the most expensive, the most luxurious. They bring the character of your perfume. So you have the right to know how much a brand actually uses of rose essential oil if they claim it. Is it 1%, 2%, or 0.0001? So at Maison, we have decided to bring transparency and to indicate the percentage of natural ingredient contained in your formula. Today, you buy any product, there is no indication back of your packaging. So this is your right to claim what contains really your perfume. In your perfume formula that contains more than 300 ingredients, you have the world. Like natural ingredients are coming from so many places. So lavender from France, ylang vanilla from Madagascar, patchouli from Indonesia, osmanthus from China, sandalwood from Australia, and cedarwood from the US. So you really have the world in your bottle of perfume.